There are a few safety precautions that should be taken when watering batteries. These precautions include ensuring the person watering the batteries is wearing and using the appropriate personal protective equipment, or PPE. PPE typically includes protective gloves, a protective apron, and eye protection. These simple pieces of equipment can greatly reduce the potential of skin contact with the electrolyte batteries. After the battery has been fully charged, as indicated on the battery charger, you can begin the watering process. First, we will look at the manual watering system. Open the vent cap on every cell of the battery. If the electrolyte level is below the splash plate in the cell, it requires water. Make sure the water is fully turned on. Activate the water flow on your device. These devices are designed to shut off water flow on back pressure. This means when the water level reaches the tip of the nozzle or gun, the flow is automatically shut off. This is your indicator to move to the next cell and repeat the process until all cells have been watered. Before installing the vent caps, visually verify that the water level is approximately 1/8 inch below the filler mark, and then reinstall the vent caps tightly and you're done. Now let's look at the single-point watering system. First, properly attach your filler hose to the spigot and make sure the water spigot is fully open, as this is a pressure-sensitive operation and has a pressure regulator on the hose. If the pressure is too low, the valves will not shut off properly. To fill, remove the dust cover and connect to the hose supply. Water will begin to flow, as seen by the red spinning balls. Once the cells are filled, the balls will come to a complete stop. Disconnect the hose and replace the dust cap, and make sure water is not flowing outside of the valves or leaking from the tubing. Shut off your water supply and you're done. It's always a good practice to conduct a good visual inspection of the battery every time you water it. Look for things like the condition of the battery cables. Make sure the connectors aren't damaged. Evaluate the overall cleanliness of your battery. Corrosion can allow shorts to exist between the battery and the lift truck. If any of these conditions are found, they should be corrected by a qualified battery service provider.